Okay, I'm back at it again. And I'm going to be working on the hedges because the city finally called me back. And the lady told me it was the hedges and these little branches that failed. So I am going to be working on the hedges today. My hedge clippers got swiped. My electric hedge clippers are gone. And I bought those just specifically to take care of the hedges. Just specifically to take care of my hedges. So I'll be using the manual hedge clippers and my handy dandy chair. 2 days wasn't enough of a rest for me. My legs is still hurting real bad. But my hip is killing me. But I want to see what I can get done. I still got to do those 2 little branches. I got to put them in place. Yeah, I don't know what that noise is. Somebody's doing something. But yeah, all because of my mother-in-law. She don't like these branches around my yard or my hedges. They said she complained.